Hey guys, you will not believe what I've just been through this morning trying to get into these two ICOs. I didn't end up getting in on True P&L because they reached their goal. Like I literally just missed out probably by a couple of hours on that. But actually that was a blessing because then I was starting to look for other ways I could get in to this ICO as well as Soul Chicks. So I did a search on Twitter and then, I don't know how it happened. I came across another platform and that platform is called Lithium Launchpad. And it's actually very early stage, and because it's so early, their token is super cheap. It's only 0.002, not even like a cent yet. So this makes it really affordable to get in on this platform. So how you buy their you have to buy their tokens in order to stake on their platform. The way to go about that is you use a MetaMask wallet. So I couldn't find this on CoinMarketCap. I had to search on CoinGecko and found that their contract address here, which you just copy, and then you've got to paste it into your MetaMask wallet. Now, before you can even do that, you actually have to connect to BSC mainnet. Okay, so this is where you have to be careful because if you are using ETH, then fees are super high. So you've got to use BSC. So to add this, you have to go add network, and then this will come up. You have to input all these details, and how you go about that is I found an article online that walks you through it here. Set up MetaMask to connect to BSC mainnet, and it just gives you step-by-step instructions. So you scroll down, you find custom RPC, and then you just enter these details. So the network name is BSC mainnet. You just copy and paste all these details into your MetaMask up here. When you go add network, you enter them and cut and paste all these things here, and then it adds the BSC network to MetaMask. So then the next step is to send BNB to your MetaMask wallet, which the address is up here. You copy that. That's your BNB address for your MetaMask wallet on the BSC chain mainnet. So yeah, this is where like most people do not know how to do this sort of stuff. So yeah, you copy this and you can transfer BNB. It'll show up in here. Then you've got to swap your BNB for the token, the EBSC token. So how to enter that token, you've got to actually import that token. So if you watched my previous video, I did show you how to do that. I can just run it through quickly again. It's getting a bit hard to scroll down on my laptop sometimes on here. So at the bottom of this wallet, so it says import tokens. So then you cut and paste the EBSC token address. You get that off of CoinGecko, I just showed you before. Paste it there, and then you just add it. It's a custom token. So once you've imported that token, you then have to swap your BNB for EBSC. Now, it doesn't let you use low slippage, so you have to use a custom slippage as well. The admin in their Telegram group was saying just use 8 or 9%, so I use 10%. And then you just press continue, and you've got to type in the custom amount. Actually, they said 8 or 9, so just use 9. And then you swap it that way. And then you've got EBSC token sitting in your MetaMask wallet. which then connects to Lithium. When you click up here, you will be asked to connect your MetaMask wallet. Mine's connected. And then they haven't put the 2 upcoming ICOs up there just yet, and they said do not stake until the day that they appear, like until they're open. So lucky I asked them, because I was going to say, can I start staking? And they said, yeah, don't start staking yet. So I'm like ready to go. I can press stake, but they said not to, so don't stake it yet. They said wait till the launch of, like, it's listed on the Launchpad to then stake it. So they've got 4 levels. The starter requires 200,000 tokens, investor 600,000. So just so you know, this is about $1,500 US dollars. So that's, you know, only a third of that. So it's actually really affordable for the starter level. But I'm actually thinking of just stocking up on their tokens as well, because I think these guys are going to, like, yeah, get big. So to buy the token in at such a cheap price right now is also a good investment, in my opinion. But yeah, again, like everything I'm telling you in every single video is just my opinion. You know, it's not investment advice, so I'm not allowed to give advice that way, but just telling you what I do and what I think is good in my opinion. You know, yeah, so these are their levels, and obviously the more tokens you buy, the higher you can get in on their Launchpad. So this level would be 500. So this obviously requires a lot more, but then you also get more allocation. But yeah, very exciting. I would advise you to join their Telegram as well, if you have any questions. So you can just ask the team there. I've been chatting away to them on there. But yeah, I mean, this is how I scout for ICOs. Like, you have to chat to the team, you know, and see if they answer your questions. And these guys, you know, they've got some good looking partnerships, and they're cross-chain. So I reckon these guys are actually going to be like going gangbusters, because they're cross-chain protocols. And I've checked out their LinkedIn pages of the founders on the team, and they all look good. They check out. So yeah, very exciting. I'll just keep this video short and sweet. And yeah, if you've got any questions, just ask me. But yeah, if you get stuck, just watch this video on very slow speed or watch it again and again, because yeah, you have to be super careful in getting these steps right so that, you know, you don't lose your money. So yeah, that is all for this video. Cheers.